A inverse, a matrix into inverse or A inverse into A is also equal to an identity matrix. This is very important concept. This is of order 3 rows 3 column. This is 3 rows 1 column. So these two are equal. We can multiply and the matrix we are going to get is of order 3 into 1. What is cos A, cos B? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is nothing but cos A plus B. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, in this session I am going to discuss very important concept and very important problem. Usually you will get one 4-mark question from this as well as one 5-mark question from today's concept. 100% you will get the same questions. Now, listen to me. Now, today in this session I am going to discuss regarding finding the inverse, then matrix multiplication, addition, subtraction, all 5-marker questions and 4-mark questions I am going to cover today. Now let us come to the first problem. What is the first problem? See, here this is a question for part E. In part E, so you will get 2 questions, that is question number A and question number B. For example, if it is question 50, A and B, the part B will be for 4 marks and first part A will be for 6 marks. So 6 plus 4, 10-marker question. In that you will expect one 4-mark question from this. So this is a 4-marker question in part E. This is part E question. Right. Now listen, what is the problem given? If A is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2 satisfies the equation A square minus 5A plus 7A is equal to 0, where I is an identity matrix of same order, then find A inverse. See, just watch the question carefully. Here what is given? A is given and the condition is satisfies the equation. So that means this equation will satisfy this equation. That means if A square minus 5A plus 7I is a 0, there is no need to verify this. In the examination, majority of the students will prove this. A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. That is wrong. Don't prove. Just this matrix will satisfy this equation. If such is the case, find the inverse. We have to find the inverse. That's it. Without using any formula like A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A into adjoint A. Without using that formula, we have to find the inverse of this matrix. Okay. See here. What is given? Given equation. Given that the given equation A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. That means the given matrix A satisfies this equation, means A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0 already given. Now just multiply by A inverse on both sides, either left side or right side. If you multiply by A inverse on both sides, we will get A inverse into A square minus 5 A inverse into A plus 7 I into A inverse is equal to 0. Now this can also be written as, split this, A inverse into A minus 5 A inverse into A plus 7 I into A inverse is equal to 0. Okay, we know the property, since A into identity matrix, any matrix into identity matrix, or identity matrix into any matrix is equal to the same matrix. Similarly, A inverse, a matrix into inverse or A inverse into A is also equal to an identity matrix. This is very important concept. So what are these concepts? A into I or I into A is equal to A. If you multiply any matrix with an identity matrix, we will get the same matrix. If a matrix and the inverse, if you multiply, you will get an identity matrix. A inverse is equal to A inverse A is equal to I. Now using that property, here A inverse is nothing but I into A minus 5 times. Again A inverse into A is also equal to I plus 7 as it is, I into A inverse. I into A inverse is equal to A inverse itself. If you multiply identity matrix with inverse, you will get the same. A inverse is equal to 0. I into A minus 5I plus 7, A inverse is equal to 0. Again, I into A is equal to A minus 5I as it is plus 7A inverse. I will go to the next page. I into A minus 5I plus 7A inverse is equal to 0. Now, since identity matrix into A is equal to the same matrix, this is A minus 5A plus 7A inverse is equal to 0. Now, what is required to find is A inverse. Just keep A inverse here itself. 7A inverse is equal to transfer. Minus 5I becomes plus 5I and plus A becomes minus A. Now, substitute the values. What is I? I is an identity matrix of same order, 2 rows, 2 columns is 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A. What is A? A is a given matrix. 3, 1, minus 1, 2. 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Simplify this. Multiply by 5. 5, 0, 0, 5 minus this is 3, 1, minus 1, 2 as it is. So, therefore, 7A inverse is equal to, simplify this. 5 minus 3 is 2. Again, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus into minus it is plus 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. So, therefore, just bring this 7 to the denominator. A inverse is equal to 1 over 7 into 2 minus 1, 1, 3. This is the required answer. So, A inverse is equal to 1 over 7 into 2 minus 1, 1 and 3. See, so if you do ordinary method to find the inverse, what we are going to do? Interchanging the diagonals and changing the element signs for the secondary diagonal elements. If you interchange the diagonals, what you will get? 2 and 3. See, it is minus 1 and plus 1. So, the given answer is correct. So, therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 over 7 into 2 minus 1, 1 and 3. This is how we are going to solve. Definite question. This type of questions are definitely you will get this type of questions for the point of examination for 4 marks in part E, question B. Okay. Now, let me take one more problem. Okay. Now, let us come to the same type problem. If A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 satisfies the equation C, the given matrix will satisfy the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0, where I is equal to 2 cross 2 is an identity matrix, 0 is a null matrix of order 2 cross 2. Using this equation, find A inverse. The matrix A will satisfy this equation. Using this equation, find A inverse. Okay. So, there is no need to verify this. Just straight away take this equation, solve for A inverse. That's all. Now, given, what is given? Given that A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Now, multiply by A inverse. If you multiply by A inverse, A square into A inverse minus 4A inverse plus I into A inverse is equal to 0. If you multiply by A inverse, A square into A inverse minus 4 into A inverse plus I into A inverse. Now, split this. A square can be written as A into A into A inverse. This is as it is, A inverse plus I into A inverse is equal to 0. Since, as I told just now itself, A inverse is equal to A inverse of A is equal to identity matrix. So, this is A into an identity matrix minus 4 into A inverse is an identity matrix plus identity matrix into any matrix is equal to same matrix. I into A is equal to A. I into A inverse is equal to A inverse. So, I into A inverse is nothing but A inverse is equal to 0. Okay. Now, just I will take this to the next page, that is A into I minus 4I plus A inverse is equal to 0. Okay. Now, listen to me here. Multiply by A inverse on both sides. A square into A inverse minus 4A inverse plus I A inverse is equal to 0. Split this. A square can be written as A into A inverse minus 4A inverse plus I A inverse is equal to 0. Since A inverse is equal to I, A inverse is also I into A inverse is equal to A inverse, A into I minus 4I plus A inverse, I will write here. Since A into I is equal to A itself, this is A minus 4I plus A inverse. Now, what is required to find is A inverse. Just keep A inverse and transfer the remaining. Minus 4I becomes plus 4I and plus A becomes minus A. 4 into, so what is I? I is 1 0 0 1 minus A is nothing but the given matrix 2 3 1 2, 2 3 1 2, the given matrix. Simplify this, 4 0 0 4 minus 2 3 1 2, this is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, again 0 minus 3 is minus 3, again 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So therefore the inverse of the matrix A inverse is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. That's it. Okay, see here, what is the matrix given? A is equal to 2 3 1 2. According to the inverse, what is inverse? Inverse of this is if interchanging the diagonals and changing the signs, minus 3 minus. So 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. That is the correct answer. That's it. This is how we are going to solve. Just see here, A into I is A minus 4I plus A inverse. What is required to find is A inverse. Just keep A inverse and transfer the remaining elements to the right hand side. Minus 4I becomes plus 4I and plus A becomes minus A. 4 into I is 1 0 0 1 minus A is the given matrix 2 3 1 2. Multiply this by 4, 4 ones are 4 0 0 4 minus the same matrix 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So therefore the inverse of the given matrix is 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. This is how we are going to find the inverse. So this is one of the concept in Cayley-Hamilton theorem, right? Now here just what is important is the majority of the students in the examination will verify this equation. They will find out A square and substitute here and simplify and they'll put 0 0 0. That is wrong. Just don't verify this equation. They have already given that if it satisfies the equation, then only we will get an inverse. So find that inverse. This is the method to find the inverse. Okay. Now let us come to the next type of problem. Let us discuss a few 5-marker questions. So these questions are very, very important for the point of examination. Now let us come to this. What is the first problem here? These are all very, very important type of problems. Okay, you may expect this type of questions for your annual examination. Now if A is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, B, 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, and C is equal to 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, and 3. Then compute. Compute means first find out A plus B, B minus C. Also verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. So once if you know A plus B, you can get right hand side easily, and if you know B minus C, you will get left hand side. So to solve this, we have to find A plus B as well as B minus C. So first find out A plus B. Now A plus B, what is A? A is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, plus B. B is equal to 3, minus 1, 2, and 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Simplify this. So if you add, this is addition, 1 plus 3 is 4, again 2 minus 1 is 1, again minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, again 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3, again minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, 1 plus 3 is equal to, so this is A plus B. Now find out B minus C. Now B minus C is equal to, what is B? B is 3 minus 1 2, 4 2 5, 2 0 3, minus C. C is 4 1 2, 0 3 2, 1 minus 2 3. Simplify this. This is subtraction. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, again 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. First row. Second row, 4 minus 0 is 4, again 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, again 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus into minus is plus 2, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is how we are going to find A plus B and B minus C. First part is finished. Now go for the second. Take LHS. What is LHS? A plus B minus C. For this B minus C, just add A. Right hand side, A plus B minus C. For this A plus B, subtract C. So verify whether LHS is equal to RHS, then the equation is satisfied. That's it. Okay. Let me go to the LHS. I will take LHS first. What is LHS? A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Now this is, what is A matrix? 1 2 minus 3, then 5 0 2, then 1 minus 1, 1 plus b minus c. What is b minus c? This is b minus c. Minus 1, minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. Then 1, 2, 0. Simplify this. 1, 2, this is 0. Now simplify this. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus into plus minus 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So, here it is 1 plus into minus minus, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus into minus minus, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay. Now, let us come to the right hand side. What is RHS? A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Now, what is A plus B? This is A plus B. That is 4, 1 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 1. Next, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7. Next, 3 minus 1, 4. Minus C matrix. What is C matrix? 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2 and 3. Subtract this. Now, this is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. See, first row same 1, 0, 0, minus 3. Now, let us verify second row. 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus into minus plus. This is minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is plus 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 2, 1, 1. So, this is equation number 2. Now, what do you say from equation 1 and 2? See, equation 1 and 2 are same. 0, 0, minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. 9 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 1, 5. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So, from equations 1 and 2, we can say that from 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is, A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. 1 second, I will write again. Therefore, A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. The given equation is verified. That's it. Okay, this is 5 marks. These are all very, very important definite question. Practice. You will definitely expect this type of questions. Okay, hope you followed. Now, let us come to the next problem. So, now same type, but this is multiplication. What is problem given? This is also very important type of problem. If A is equal to 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, B is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, C is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 2 and 3. Calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C, then verify A plus B plus C is equal to AC plus BC. So, once if you know, you can verify this easily. So, to verify this, we have to find these values itself. Now, let us come to the first one. Verify first AC, multiply A and C. What is A? A is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8 and 0 into C. What is C? C is 2, minus 2 and 3. Check whether this is multiplied or not. So, this is of order 3 rows 3 column. This is 3 rows 1 column. So, these two are equal. We can multiply and the matrix we are going to get is of order 3 into 1. Now, this is equal to multiply. First row, first column. 0 into 2 is 0. 6 into 2 is 12 minus 12. 7 3s are 21. First row, first column. Again, second row, first column. 6 2s are 12 minus 12 minus 0. 8 into 3, 24. Next, third row, first column. 7 2s are 14, minus into minus plus, 8 2s are 16 plus 0. So, this is equal to 21 minus 12 is equal to 9. Then 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Then 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. This is AC. Okay, AC is equal to 9, 12 and 30. First answer. Okay. This is first part. Now come to the second part, BC. Now to find out BC, what is B matrix? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0 into matrix C. What is C? 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 3. So this is also of order 3 rows 3 column and 3 rows 1 column. These two are equal. We can multiply and the matrix obtained is of order 3 rows 1 column. First row, first column. 0 into 2 is 0, minus 1 2 is 2, plus 1 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 0, again 2 3 is 6. 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 2 is 4, plus 0 into any number is 0. So this is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This is of order 3 rows 1 column. 1, 8 and minus 2. This is BC. Okay. Now what is to find A plus B? Now find out A plus B into C. A plus B. What is A? A is equal to 0 6 7, 0 6 7, minus 6 0 8, minus 6 0 8, 7 minus 8 0, 7 minus 8 0, plus B. What is B matrix? B matrix is 0 1 1, then 1 0 2, same 1 2 0. Add this. If you add 0, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now verify A plus B into C, that is LHS you will get. Now let us come to the LHS. Now LHS is equal to LHS A plus B into C we will get. What is A plus B? So A plus B is 0 7 8, again minus 5 0 10, then 8 minus 6 0, 8 minus 6 0 into C. What is C? C is equal to 2 minus 2 3, 2 minus 2 and 3. Simplify, same 3 rows 3 column, 3 rows 1 column, you will get 3 into 1. So this is equal to first row 0 into 2 is 0, minus 7 2s are 14, 8 3s are 24, again minus 5 2s are 10, plus into minus minus 0, again 10 into 3 is 30, 8 into 2 is 16, minus into minus it is plus, 6 2s are 12, plus 0. This is equal to, yes, 24 minus 14 is 10, again 30 minus 10 is 20, to 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. This is equation number 1, LHS. Now let us come to the RHS. What is RHS? See here, what is required to find? First AC is finished, then BC. BC is also finished. A plus B into C. For A plus B into C, we will write this A plus B into C. And LHS, same thing we can take for LHS also. A plus B into C is 10, 20 and 28. Now RHS, what is the right hand side? AC plus BC. Right hand side is A into C plus B into C. So AC is equal to 9, 12, 9, 12 and 30 plus BC. What is BC? This is BC 1, 8 minus 2. 1, 8 minus 2. Now add this. 9 plus 1 is 10, 12 plus 8 is 20, 30 minus 2 is 28. This is equation number. See what is equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 contains 10, 20, 28. Equation 2 contains 10, 20 and 28. From 1 and 2 you can say that therefore from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore we can write A plus B into C. Matrix A plus B into C is equal to A into C plus B into C. That's it. A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC, which is the required answer. That's it. Okay. This is also very, very important for 5 marks. Hope you followed. Let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? This is also a very important problem. So you may expect this is also an important question. If f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Very simple. What is given? F of x is given. Given f of x is equal to, this is f of x cos x minus sin x, then 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Now just f of y, what is f of y? Just replace x by y, that's it. If f of x is this cos x, means f of y is equal to cos y, that's all. X is replaced by y, put x is equal to y, cos y minus sin y 0, this is sin y cos y 0 0 0 1, that's all. So f of x into f of y. Now multiply this. If you multiply, what is the answer you are going to get is f of x plus y. That means if you multiply f of x into f of y, if you do matrix multiplication for this, the answer we are going to get is f cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0 sin x plus y cos x plus y 0 0 0 1, that is nothing but f of x plus y. Okay. Now let us take LHS. LHS f of x into f of y. F of x, what is f of x? Cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, this is f of x. And f of y is cos y minus sin y 0, this is sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is the left hand side. Now multiply, ordinary as usual matrix multiplication. First row, first column, second column and third column. Let me multiply. This is equal to first row cos x cos y minus into plus minus sin x sin y plus 0, right? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus 0 into this is 0. Again same row, second column cos x into minus sin y plus minus sin x into cos y plus 0. Again last row, that is first row last column, cos x into 0 is 0 plus sin x into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now second row, first column, second column, third column, multiply sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0 is 0. Again same row, second column sin x into minus of sin y plus cos x into cos y plus 0. Again sin x into 0 is 0, cos x into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 1 is also 0. Okay. So first row, first column, second row, first column, second column, third column, finished. Now third row, first column, second column and third column, that's it. So third row 0 into cos x is 0 plus 0 into sin y is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Again same row, this 0 into cos y is 0, 0 into cos y is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Again 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Right. Now this can be written as, this is of the form, so this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus 0 as it is. This is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y and this is 0 as it is. Now here you can take minus common factor. If I take negative common factor, then this becomes cos x sin y minus out plus as it is sin x cos y. Next, here also we can interchange this. I can write this first, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y and this 0 as it is. Now here this is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, this is 0 plus 1 plus 1. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos A cos B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is nothing but cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A plus B. Instead of a and b, it is x and y. So this can be written as cos x plus y. And similarly, this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is sin a cos b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is nothing but sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b. Sin of, instead of a and b, it is x plus y. This is 0 as it is. Now here minus out. Cos a sin b plus sin a cos b. Cos a sin b plus sin a cos b is nothing but sin a plus b. Minus out sin x plus y. Again cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to cos a plus b. Cos x plus y. And this 0 as it is. This is 0, 0, 1. Now if you observe carefully, so wherever x, we have x plus y. See, cos x plus y, sin x plus y, 0, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, 0. So therefore this can be written as f of x plus y, equation number. So what you say? This is nothing but your RHS. Okay, therefore we can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. I will write here. Therefore f of x into f of y is always equal to f of x plus y. We will get. That's it. This is also very important problem indeed. Okay. So f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. That's it. Okay. Let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Now this is also very important problem for 5 marks. So you may expect this even in this final examination. Very simple, but majority of students will do wrong because of confusion. So don't confused with this problem. This is a very simple problem. See what is given. Let us find out first. What is a here? A is equal to minus 2, 4 and 5. Write down a dash. A dash for this is minus 2, 4 and 5. What is b given? B is equal to 1, 2, minus 4. Write down b dash is equal to 1, 2, minus 4. Now let us come to the LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side. First find out AB. Okay. What is A? A is equal to minus 2, 4 and 5. What is B? B is equal to 1, 2, minus 4. See here, just in the previous class itself I explained, while solving this type of problems you have to verify the order first, whether it is possible to multiply it or not. If it is possible to multiply, then what is the order we are going to get? So this is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 1 column. This is 1 row, 3 column. That means these two are equal. That means we are going to get a matrix AB which is of order 3 class 3. Just keep it in mind. If you know this, you can very easily write without any confusion. 3 rows, 3 column. Okay. This is first row. These are first column, second column, third column. This is first row, minus 2. First column, second column, third column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Finish. Again, first row, second column. Minus 2 2s are 4. Next, minus into minus plus 2 4s, right? That's it. First row, first column, second column, third column. So majority of the students will add. That is wrong. Don't add. Now, because we are multiplying first row with first column, second column and third column. Similarly, second row, first column, second column and third column. Second row, 4. First column, 1. Second column, 2. Third column, minus 4. 4 1s are 4. Finished. 4 2s are 8. Finished. 4 4s are 16. That's it. Second row, first column, second column, third column. Third row. Third row contains only one element, 5. Multiply with 1, 2 and minus 4. 5 1s are 5. Then 5 2s are 10. Minus 5 4s are 20. So see, the order is 3 cross 3. Now, therefore, AB is equal to minus 2, 4, 8. 4, 8, minus 16, 5, 10 and minus 10. Now, let us transpose this. The transpose of this is equal to, now therefore, I will write here AB whole dash. If you transpose this, what you will get? Minus 2, minus 4 and 8. First row become first column. Second row, 4, 8 and minus 16. And the third row, 5, 10, minus 20. 5, 10 and minus 20. Let us represent this as equation number 1, AB whole dash. Okay. Now let us come to the right hand side, that is RHS. This is 20, not 26. This is 20. Now come to the RHS. RHS. Now B dash into A dash. What is B dash? The transpose of this. B dash is 1, 2, minus 4. 1, 2, minus 4 into A dash. What is A dash? A dash is equal to minus 2, 4, 5. Minus 2, 4 and 5. Now verify this is 3 rows, 1 column. 1 row, 3 column. These two are equal. We can multiply and the matrix we are going to obtain is of order 3 rows, 3 column. Same as usual. First row, first column, second column and third column. See here. 1 2s are 2, minus 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5. So minus 2 4 5 is the first row. Minus 2 4 5 is the first row. Okay. Now second row. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10. Second row. Minus 4 8 10. See, minus 4 8 10. Correct. Next last 4 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus, minus 4 4s are 16, minus 4 5s are 20. So this is the third. 8 minus 16, 8 minus 16 minus. So from 1 and 2 we can say that therefore from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. This is also a very important type. This is called reversal law of transpose. AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash, reversal law of transpose. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next set of problem. Now here what is the problem given? If A is equal to 2 0 1 2 1 2 1 minus 1 0, find. We have to find here. See the difference between the 4 marker question and 5 mark question. There they have given this equation and satisfies this equation. We are requested to find A inverse, but here just find this equation. Okay. Now whether this is equal to 0 or not, we have to verify. That's it. Now first what is given? Now find out A square. A square is equal to A into A. 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 into same 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. First row, first column, second column and third column. Multiply this. 2 2s are 4. Again 0 into 2 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Again same row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1. Again 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 0 into 3 is 0. Plus 1 into 0 is 0. Finish. Now go to the second row. 2 or 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1 2s are 2. Again plus 3 1s are 3. Second row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus into minus minus 1 3s are 3. Second row, last column. 1 2s are 2. Plus 3 1s are 3. Plus 0. Again last row, first column, second column, third column. 1 2s are 2. Minus 1 2s are 2. Plus 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 0. Again last row, last column. 1 1s are 1. Minus 3 plus 0. What is this equal to? This is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. Again 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 7 8 9. This is 9. Again minus 2 2 minus 2 is 0. First column 5 9 0. Second column 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Second column minus 1 minus 2 1 and the third column 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This is A square, right? Now come to this equation. Take this. A square minus 5A plus 6I. This is equal to, substitute the value of A square. What is A square? 5 minus 1 2. 5 minus 1 2. 9 minus 2 5. 0 minus 1 minus 2. 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 into, substitute the value of A is nothing but the given matrix. What is the given matrix? 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 1 3 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 into an identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 of order, 3 rows, 3 column. Just you keep this as it is. 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Multiply this with 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 and 5. Again 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. This is 5 1s are 5, minus 5 and 0. Multiply with 6. 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Okay. Now just subtract these two first. 5 minus 10 is minus 5, minus 1. Again 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, 5 minus 15 is minus 10, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, minus into minus plus, 5 minus 1 is 4 and minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 plus this same 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Add this. If this is equal to 0, just it is a null matrix, otherwise not equal to 0. 6 minus 5 is 1, minus 1, again this is minus 3, not equal to 0. Yes, minus 1, then minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1, again minus 10 plus 0 is minus 10 and minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5 and 4 plus 0 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So, not equal to 0, that is it. So, this is the required answer, that is it. Okay. So, that is regarding this problem is concerned. Now, let us come to the next problem. This is also a very important problem indeed. Now, what is given? If a is equal to 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1, prove that a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0. This is also very important. While choosing this type of questions, you should be familiar in the simplification. So, if you concentrate more on the simplification. Okay. Now, let us find out a square first. A square is equal to a into a. What is a? 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 and again 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1. So, simplify this. First row, first column, second column and third column. So, 1 1s are 1 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 3 4s are 12. Again 1 2s are 2 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6. Same row, last column. 1 3s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. Next, second row, first column. 3 1s are 3 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 4s are 4. Second row, second column. So, 3 2s are 6 minus into minus plus 4 plus 2 1s are 2. Second row, last column. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. Again last row, first column, second column, third columm. 4 1s are 4, 2 3s are 6, again plus 1 4s are 4. Again 4 2s are 8 minus 4. So, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Again last row, last column. 4 3s are 12, then 2 1s are 2, again 1 1s are 1. If you add, what we will get? 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19 here. So, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 minus 6 is 1, again 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4 is 14, again 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, again 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 2 is 12, then 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6, again 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, then 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8, again 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1 is 15. This is a square. Okay. Now, find out a cube. Now, a cube is equal to, now a cube is equal to a square into a. What is a square? 19 4 8 into 1 12 8, then 14 6 15, 14 6 and 15 to a. A is 1 2 3, then 3 minus 2 1, then 4 2 1. So, again this is first row, first column, second column and third column. We have to multiply this, that is it. So, 19 1s are 19 plus 4 3s are 12, again 8 4s are 32. Now, let us take the second row. 19 2s are 38 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 8 1s are 8. Again same row. 57, this is 19 3s are 57 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 8 1s are 8. Now, multiply second row. 1 ones are 1 plus 12 threes are 36. Again 8 fours are 32. Again same row, second column, 1 twos are 2, 12 twos are 24 plus 8 twos are 16. Again 1 threes are 3 plus 12 ones are 12 plus 8 ones are 8. 14 ones are 14 plus 6 threes are 18 minus 15 fours are 60. Again second row, second column, 14 into 2 is 28 minus 6 twos are 12, 15 twos are 30. Again 14 into 3, 42. This is 42 plus 6 ones are 6 plus 15. Now if you add, we are going to get this as, this is 63, 36 plus 32 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 69. Then this is what we are going to get, 92. And the second row, so this is 46 minus 6, 46. Then the last row, so if you add this, you will get 69, 23, then 63. These are the values of a square. Now, finally substitute in this. Now, a cube minus, what is the given equation? 23a, then minus 40i is equal to, substitute the value of a cube. What is it? 63, 46, 63, 46, 69. Then 69 minus 6, 69 minus 6, 23. Then 92, 46, 63. 92, 46 and 63. Minus 23 times a, 1, 2, 3. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Then 4, 2, 1. Minus 40i means 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So, if just multiply this and simplify, the answer we are going to get it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. This is equal to 0. So, you just simplify this. So, therefore, a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0, a null matrix. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed this. So, these are all very important problem for 4 marks as well as for 5 mark questions. Definitely you will get at least one 5 marks and one 3 marks question from this session. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.